I don't know. Practice is not really. Okay, so D1 is still on the trade, but me, I'm not taking any trade for now. The only trade I'm seeing here now, I'm seeing structural
I'm waiting
liquidity
for
here.
I'm waiting
You,
for
you
the
are
reaction
waiting.
for the on
All
this
right.
zone where it's going
Mm,
on. So
all
possibly
right.
it might break it. When it break it, I'm closing it.
Okay. So me, I'm seeing a structural liquidity and a sweep of liquidity in this particular zone here. I'm seeing it here. Where is Diego? He don't join.
In the road.
Okay. So we're still playing price, but me, I'm watching this zone for a buy because of this structure that is here. So let's see. D1 is still on the chart.
There's a sweep there.
So there's a sweep here. So there's a structural liquidity. So it has not gotten to my point of entry, and the thing is buying. It just tapped. You
I'll
didn't
close.
even enter inside. You will close.
Exactly. This is what I'm talking about. That some I have
Are
issue
you
with some.
closing or you are not closing?
Once I see the reaction, I'm closing it. Once it break
Okay, you
out, I
are
say that
closing from here.
once it break out this zone here, I will be closing it.
Okay, once is it that once it break out of this one or break up or which one?
Once it breaks up, that it breaks up from this zone, even where
Okay,
it's sitting, there is a zone there. So if
here.
it comes down, I'll but yes,
Okay, you would
from
have
the left
closed
side,
there.
I would have closed it. Yes, once it breaks up,
Okay.
I'll close it.
So me, I closed there, you closed there. So let's say the trade got to this let's say your own got to this point, right? So yeah, already closed there because of this breaker block here. So the trade now is moving up. And me, I'm not interested in taking any buys. I'm taking only sells. And with the way this one has happened now, naturally or normally, we're expecting this one to go break this high. That's what we're expecting because it has not even entered, so I can't expect it. I still expect it to come down. So I don't know which angle now. The only breaker block I'm seeing here now is from this zone. I'm seeing a breaker block here. Although this one respected the breaker block, but let me see draw it out. I think there's a zone there. Yeah. So I don't know which other zone are you guys looking at? Are you seeing any other zone for a sell, a possible sell? But this breaker block does not have a sweep of liquidity, so I'm not trusting it. I'm not trusting this zone. But let's see if we'll get a reaction from there. For me, let me see. Okay. Again, I'm seeing this particular place as an inducement. Then here also might be a breaker block for this inducement that is here. So let's see if we get a nice reaction from this zone. I didn't see any nice reaction. Just giving. So it's not just okay. Okay. Is there any reaction here now to look at? Here, he gave a high, he broke the high, then he came down. There was a
There's a change
close,
of character.
right? Change of character, it went up, right?
Yeah.
So I don't know. Are you seeing a trade in this particular place?
We want to consider that change of character.
Hmm. Okay.
And with that,
If I want to consider
change,
this kind of trade now, I'll be entering
yes,
from
then
here. I'll be
yes,
entering from here.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll be entering from here. Then my
And
stop
breaking
loss
that
will be
line.
here. Yeah, my stop loss will be here. If it breaks this thing, I'm no longer in the trade. Let me see. For a confirmation, no.
Yeah.
I'll be yeah. Once I see a bearish close, I'll enter the trade. So we have a bearish close. So I'll be on this trade. OS is on the trade, but the stop
I'm
loss
on
is
it.
too big. The stop loss is too big. Oh. All right, let's
Okay,
see.
let's go on.
Let's do 1:3. 1:3 on this trade. All right. So let's see what happens. Okay. Nice
Ah,
move.
ah,
Nice move. Will you be out?
no.
I'm still holding.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Nice move. Nice move. Nice one. No. Okay. No. Okay. Still going.
Coming down. Mm.
Okay. No. 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 No.
Ah,
No.
there's a
Mm-mm.
change of character there. There's a
Yes.
change of
There's a
character.
change. There's a change of
The
character here.
trade.
So I will be out of this trade once this candle closes. I would have been out of this trade like this. I would have been out. So we'll now be regretting why we did not close since. I say, I would have closed here. Oh, that
I would
was
have made.
all those kind of regrets with the apple for trade. So we would have closed in this particular point, which is 1:1. And there's a change of character. There's a change of character here. And this change of character is kind of massive in a way.
And even if it is a live trade,
Hmm.
if it is a live trade,
Yeah.
the last red candle, you could have closed there. That last red candle.
This one, right?
Or the green, yes. Because
Yeah,
that is
this
where the
one.
change of
Character
yes.
happened. Yeah, that's true. Could have closed here.
So yeah.
So what I would have been looking at now in this particular trade now, it has entered, you see, it has entered my POI. Are you seeing it? The POI I
For the
draw
buy,
down. Yeah, for
for
the
the
buy
buy.
POI. So me
Yes.
now, I will take this buy because it is on my POI. So are you guys seeing my kind of trade now? Are you see the kind of trades I'm entering? I'm not just entering anyhow trade. I'm not, there are places I'm entering the trades. So far so good. I've not hit SL on my trade, right? I've not hit SL now, right?
Mm.
And this is my trade. This is my trade. I did not take this trade. Yeah. This is my trade. This one is Taufik trade. And okay, this is me and D1 trade, right?
Mm.
So this is my trade now. So D1, are you joining? Or who is joining? It's on my POI
For a buy,
for a
for a buy,
buy.
yes.
Mm,
Yes.
Okay. Comrade,
But
you are
if
joining too, right?
I'm
I'm
joining for
joining.
a buy.
I'm joining for a buy due to my capital. If my capital can hold the stop loss, I'll hold it.
It can, it can. You risk what you can. Doesn't matter. You can risk even $3. That's why I love currency pair. It's not like a synthetic pair that they will give you a particular lot size that you must use. Currency pair, you
Okay.
can even risk as low as anything. You
Okay.
will use, yes, from here to here like this, from here to this place, you'll be risking $3 from here to here. Your SL will be $3, and you want to carry this swing. And, and currency pair will allow you to do it with the lot size that you will
Ah,
choose. You just choose a very low lot size. Yes, it will allow you to do it. But for synthetic pairs, they will give you one particular lot size that you must use because they want to blow your
use.
account. Yes, they want to blow your account. Yes, so if you are not wise, that's why I trade V75s most of the time because it's furthermore secures my account. So this place now, I'm having a a what's it called now? A thought about my trade getting here or here, either of these two, right? I'm looking out that my trade might get here I'm still looking at it that it might even go up to this point because it's coming out from a very strong. Anyway, let me take it up. Do you know why I want to take it up?
Why?
Do you know why I'm taking it up? When a pair moves like this, if you remember what I told you guys, when we finish dealing with this one, what you are dealing with now is this one. This is another pair this is another kind of trade on its own. In the sense that look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is like this now. Look at it. Like this. On its own. Are you seeing it? This is like this on its own.
Mhm.
So this one like this on its own has given me this move on the 50% of the 50%. This is the
We
50%
even
of the
have
50%. So
there's
the
a
trade
sweep
is,
there.
yes, there's a sweep. So, and there's a structure. So, and it's moving from the 50% of the 50%. So the next thing we're targeting is the next high. That's what we're targeting. Although we're anticipating that it will break it. But as at this particular time, we're targeting where it gets to. So do you understand me now? We are trading according to our what's it called now? Our strategy that we're teaching. Do you understand me now?
Yeah, it's true.
So that's why we're taking this trade. And D1, I believe that's why you're still with me on the trade, Abby.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So Tafik is not here, right?
Yes, I think he has low battery. But maybe he's asleep.
Oh, what of Yusuf is not here too.
Yes, him and Yusuf, probably they have low battery because light has
Try,
not been good in.
that's
You should try
serious.
to get that.
That's serious. Oh, it's all good. It's all good. There's no problem. It's just painful. So now we play price
Yeah,
to
but
see what happens. You
we're not
said?
recording this last one.
I am. It's on
Okay.
recording. Yeah.
All right.
So we are playing price now to see what happens.
Thank you.
We're not going to stop loss. So see the way the thing they move. The way
It's
it's
going.
moving,
Let it go.
the way they move, they make person laugh. Oh, but this one, okay,
It
it's
go.
going.
It will
This is Ozeba kind of trade. It's very slow, so you have to be very patient with it.
go.
Okay, but this trade now really.
Inducement.
This trade now really. This one would have faked people out of this trade. This particular change of character that happened here. But if you know where the trade is going, you will hold.
Just
This
hold
is
it.
the reason why, yes, this is the reason why you need to understand where the trade is going. So if you don't understand where the trade is going, you'll be closing unnecessarily. If a chart is pulling back, like if you say, hey, he wants to do, you will close it. But if you know that if the chart moves from here, if it moves from point A is going to point B, you will hold it. And somebody will be wondering, why did you hold this trade? They will not know why you hold the trade. But you that know the reason you hold the trade, will just hold the trade, no matter what the trade is doing. You just hold it. So let's exercise our faith. This is practice account. So even if we go and hit stop loss, there is no problem. We're still practicing. But on the original note, you're supposed to hold this trade as you enter from this zone up until it gets to this particular zone here. No matter what the chart is doing, just allow it to be doing its thing. So let's see what the chart is going to do at the end of the day. Are you seeing what the chart is doing?
Mm-hmm.
So next time now, if you're holding your trade now and you know where it's coming from and you know where it's going, you see, you'll not be afraid, right? Okay, now it has
Provided you
gotten to
get the
that
analysis.
my yeah, just get if you are able to get the analysis right, you will just no matter what the dancey is doing, you will just be free. Okay, you see, it got to
Exactly.
this my point.
First
Yeah,
POI.
yeah, this POI and it started selling down. So let's see if the POI is going to hold strongly or it's still going to go up. But you see that it reacted from the POI very, very well. So anybody that
Mm-hmm.
was even there, this is 1 hour time frame. So the person would have still made money from here to here. Maybe if you take the trade on 15 minutes, you would have still made money from there to here. You understand? So let's see where the
Change of
trade
change of character now.
yeah, he had the change of character there. So the person would have made money from that short move. But let's see at the end of the day, where did this particular trade get to?
Yes.
Mm, let's see where it get to. So me, I will still be holding. So anybody that wants to leave should tell me, oh, you tell me, okay, I'm at this point, I'm leaving this trade.
Yeah.
Mhm. So, but for me, I'm holding. So, I'm holding the trade. I think this is a total change of character. This is a total change of character. This is not supposed to happen.
If it
Yeah, this
breaks
is
it down
a
here,
total change.
automatically, if it
This is a
breaks it
total,
down here, I'm
no,
gonna
this is a total change of character.
close it here. I'll close it here.
This, look, this is a total change. Look at it now, right? You see this particular, are you seeing it?
Mm.
It is a total, its range came down, full back. So this place was a very, very strong zone that is a cell that deserves selling from because of this zone here and this zone. So it was powerful enough to break it back down. So
But sir,
me,
I may leave
yes,
this. I may leave it.
you may leave it.
The reason why, yes, the reason why we leave it is this is exactly what happened on V75s.
Okay, explain.
So I will leave it just to do the Jabajantis. I know that even if I'm risking $10, so let's see how it goes. It's either I win or I lose it.
Mm.
Because I may close it and start pulling off back.
If the trade breaks this particular zone for me, I would have taken a sell. It's a risky sell, but I would have taken a sell here. My stop loss would be below here. Then I would have raised one ratio, maybe four. I would have left here, just a little here. Okay, wait. This one now is a zone below, right? There's a zone below we're waiting, right?
Yes, yes.
There's a zone here. So me, I will go and be waiting for this. I will sell it to this zone. I can sell it to maybe on top of the zone, a little inside. Reason is because since it's giving this strong change of character, it might want to violate this place. That's one. Secondly, it might go and buy inside of here again. It might buy inside of here and keep going up. But let me just see what happens. So I'm already on this trade here, right? I would have been here, entry here. So who is joining me on the trade now? So I would have closed my own here, my own trade here. So this one, this my journey has been stopped here. So no stop loss hitting here. The journey would have been stopped here. Yeah, yeah. So the one is still holding, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
I'm
let's see
holding too.
what. Okay, you're holding
I'm
too.
not. Yeah.
All right, let's see what price does. Took me out. See this foolish this thing. See this foolish this thing. It took me out. It took me out from here. Okay,
It's
why
going my
you
direction.
guys? Yeah. So this is another strong low, right? Structural liquidity and sweep of liquidity. So this buy ahead.
Actually came back to retest the entry.
Yeah. So let's see. What happens? So are you holding still with this Jagbajantis?
If I don't pick him, I don't pick him. Anything you like, make you do.
Okay,
It's either Airtel or TP.
so let's see what he does. Probably would have taken this trade again because of this change of character
Mm-hmm. For
here.
yourself.
Yeah, for yourself, there's a change of character here. So we are taking it again, targeting the same place that I was targeting before. We are
This trade
taking
is
it
It should
again.
coming
have
down.
taken, it should have taken me out by now. At this point,
No,
it should have
not yet, not yet. It has taken you out now. It is now. Are you
taken me
seeing it now? So me, I would have
Yes, it
Yeah.
should
taken
have
this
taken.
shit again from here. I would have taken it again from here. He gave a clear change of character there. So, and as at this particular point in time, probably would have come to hit. All right, this is another change of character. Yeah, change of character. So let me see. I'm going long on this. Now, I'm expecting it to come back to this zone. Sorry, this zone.
You should be expecting a strong buy now.
Yes. So let me see what it does. Who is entering?
I'm with you.
I'm with you.
Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. Yeah. Another SL hit successfully. Okay,
Baba,
let's
are you
keep
on demo
going.
account?
Not be demo,
No,
na
this is
live account. Oh.
a back
Ah,
test.
we are back testing now.
We are back testing.
You see, on your demo account. It's not live trade now. Okay, you think it's
It's not
live
live
trade?
trade.
I think it's live trade.
No, it's not live
No, it's not
trade. You
live
are
trade.
back
It's back
testing.
test.
This is January
It's
trade.
January.
All these ones are
All the
January
people
trade.
are tested.
Okay.
Mm. So SA hit successfully.
Another change of character.
Okay, we have another change of character here now, right?
This trade. This trade
So
now will
I will tell you. So this one now, if you look at it, you take here self. If you take here, if you take here, it broke out, yeah?
mm.
Are you seeing it? If you take here, it broke out. So let's wait. This is a change of character to the upside. So let's wait for it to retest before we take the trade. This is a change of character. Okay, where you can't run the go. I just tire.
Mm.
Whoa.
And this kind of make your heart they just they do.
This one why
You
hit
want
stop
to
loss. Okay, another change of character. So I think I'll be in now. I'll be in on this trade. I'll be in on this trade. It gave another change of character.
there's an hammer there
So
too.
there's a hammer here and a golfing candle too. So I'll be taking this trade from here, right? My stop loss right below it. And I'll be targeting same place I was
Hi.
targeting. I think I'll be targeting higher because it entered that the 50% of this other 50%, this one, the down in
Yeah.
here. Yeah, it entered inside. It entered inside. So I think I'll take a longer, I'll
Long
take a
shots.
long, yes, take a long shot on this. So I would have been here, all right? Then a long shot would have been taken. Let me see where that. This thing is okay. Yeah, all right. Here, that's where I would have been targeting. Then here. So who deal with me for this street like this? Who
Now
agree
you
with
did.
me? Okay.
You did.
So let's play it. You see the way I spread them? I believe it's going to take quite a long time before it gets there. That's why I spread it like that. So let's play price. Let's see where. So we've hit two stop loss in one fucking trade. Although
That's fine.
I know we would have taken this trade. I know that because he gave a clear change of character. So let's see what price does. Okay. Mm, let's see. Okay. This is serious. This is
You
serious
can
move.
break that. Once it break that zone,
Yeah, if you break out from this zone now, go where? Ah, yeah, see where they react from and a better resistance too. I think
mm-hmm.
I'll be looking out to get out on the street.
Mm-hmm.
I'm out. I'm out. It's a change of character. Really break below it. It's a fucking change of character. I would have been out on the break below. This one didn't
Okay.
give me what it didn't give me what I want. Who is still holding? You want to still hold? Huh?
Risk man risk management. It's better to close
It's
and enter
better to
again.
close. So I would have closed as soon as it broke this low here. That's me having 1:3, I mean 318. So that's still something. So let's see what price does again. D1, you not talk, oh, I close them on you without.
No, 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 no.
It's okay,
In that
I
kind
should
of
close,
situation,
right?
I just use break even.
Okay, you will use break even.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's say you are on break even, so you are still on the trade. So let's see what happens. I, you know how many hours this one do like this now? If it be one deal, I take all the jagbajanti.
Ranging.
Mm. And if it be Asian session, sef. Price, move.
Who is the fourth person here? Tell me.
But why tell me no
Eh,
dey talk now?
Have I
now all
just
of
the
us
observe?
here. Open
Tell me no
ask.
dey talk.
All of Mario did there.
A good day now. If it not day. The price is just
Nah,
ranging, so no trade.
Mario no there.
No trade for me for now. I will just dey look the pair. Omo.
I will close it here. I will close it here.
Mm-hmm. You
I will
don't see
close it
wetin
there.
you don't see wetin pass
Once
you
it
abi.
breaks out once it break out the range, I will close it.
Okay. It is. So me now I'll be looking out for another trade right now because it has broken out of the range. So Okay. Change your
Break
character.
even
Let's
work.
see. Yeah. Is it?
I said the break even works. So
It works sometimes. It fail most of the time.
yeah,
Are
yeah.
you seeing it?
But
Break even taking. Break even
ah,
taking. Break even taking.
yeah.
I see the day. So
All this country we just the form zone.
I will tell you.
I'm a good.
I dey like this kind of thing with the form zone.
You like them?
I
Where the
swear,
form zone?
I swear.
That
Uh,
that is
I
because
know.
you like sniper trade or ability they call am.
I don't like camo.
Because the movement no dey long like
Uh,
that for a swing
yeah,
trader.
I dey
Movement
like I dey like pair
You know,
with the
I don't
give
want
me
to
this kind one now. So imagine here now. Here's still a sweet place to enter a trade. So imagine after this one now you can't experience something like this. Imagine from here now, you don't enter trade, see where you don't reach. With and you know how many days it take reach here? Something where this one use here take reach oh. From here to here, this one don't reach I mean 1 day or something. But from here to here now, you see how many days it dey take to come reach here. From here to
it
here.
be like say now how PS they do that kind of thing. It get some pure who say them will frustrate you.
Mhm. So you know really
I don't
brain,
understand.
what they do.
As a swing trader, you can
You can't trade this
all
oh.
this
You go
type of
tire. Oh.
intelligence because before you know it, it's already created the zone. Before you
Hmm.
know it, that zone has been created. So you don't even know what to do.
So wait, hold on,
You
hold on.
entry,
So what I've
creating it
seen,
there.
what I've seen here now, I'm seeing a range. I saw a range here. So I saw a range here, right?
Yeah, exactly.
A range. There was a range here. So the market now broke out of this range. As it broke out, there is, I think it's coming. This is a demand level. It entered from a demand level here. So I think it's safe to buy from here after it broke out from a range and there's a demand level below it. I would have risked buying it. Oh, sorry guys, I'm tired already. So let's just say 1 ratio. Okay. Let's say 1:5 is okay. Don't want to take too much. Just to this high. For me, oh, as range liquidity. So let's see what happens. Think the range has not finished, even after sweeping the low. Maybe that's still a range. I think that's still a range. Okay, it's not a range. It has broken. Yeah. So that's a TP smashed. So as he swept it, it went to take out. Um, so this would have been my trade. All right. So let's look for another trade.
Imagine this trade. It's not even respect the resistance at all.
Oh yeah,
As,
which is
yeah,
I expect any resistance too. Okay, wait. I would have been on this street. I would have been on this street. I would have been on this street.
for a
Why?
buy.
Ask me why. Eh? For a buy, yes.
For, okay.
Look at it. I would have been on the trade. Look at the liquidity. All here. Look at liquidity here. Are you not seeing it? Then here, all here are sweep. Here is the breaker block. So there is no way I am missing this one here. When I mean no way, there is no way I'm missing it. My stop loss below here and straight up to the upside. I think I will hold this one. I will definitely hold this one because this is a banger. I will hold this one. Let me see where. Okay, let me see. I definitely hold this. Let me see. Let me hold this to this place. Let me see what will happen at the end of the day. Because this trade moved from a very, very nice A plus setup. So let's see what happens. Mm-mm, mm-mm. I think I would have jumped out of this particular trade from here if you continue because this is 1 hour range. I'm not seeing any reason why Pierre go the range for 1 hour range like this. But then I think I would have been done. I would have been done. Inside here, I don't jump from it.